India. Welcome to Fremont. How are you doing today?
I am so excited to be here because you will not believe it. The first time I ever came to America was in San Jose because my mama ji used to live here and I was some 9 years old. So my first time ever in America was this place, and I'm coming to this place after many years. And I'm so excited to see all of you because it doesn't really feel that I'm far away from India. It just feels like I'm back with my own. I'm so happy and glad.
100% of the proceeds are going to Fiji dialysis projects, and you are addressing this occasion. That means so much to us because we have seen you in TV, in movies, in Jab We Met, the bubbly Roop, and then we have seen you in Dhurandhar as Ulfat and the Bhabhi character, like everybody loves, and so much more. You are multi-talented. But tell our audience today that how did it feel to do, to entertain so many people around the world and still maintaining the calmness?
First, I really want to
Move back. Clear this side. Move back.
congratulate and appreciate Reva ji and David ji and his lovely wife Sangeeta for the lovely and the noble work they are doing. It's so good that all of you have showed up for a good cause. All of you have come here to show support for something which is, helping, and it is about giving back to the society. And I'm so glad to be a part of something which is giving back to the society. So first, congratulations for taking up this cause and being able to do that. It means a lot. I think we can give it up for them, all of you. 17 years now in this industry. I started with Jab We Met, and then I hosted a lot of shows, Dance India Dance. I hosted with Shah Rukh. I did Bold Meet Up Quiz contest with Derek O'Brien. Must have hosted some 14 shows. Did Bhabhi Ji Ghar Pe Hai for like a 5.5 long years. I can see some cheers. And then of course Dhurandhar, which was a very intense and one of the biggest films from the Indian film industry. So I'm very grateful to get the chance to be able to, make you all sometimes laugh, sometimes cry, and all I just want to say is that I want to really say that you guys are my favorite city, and any महफिल या कोई भी महफिल या कोई भी आर्टिस्ट के लिए सक्सेसफुल वही महफिल होती है जहाँ सुनने वाले गाते हैं। तो बहुत अरसे से मेरी सबसे फेवरेट सिटी लंदन रही है, क्योंकि लंदन की जो ऑडियंस है, हमारा जो इंडियन डायस्पोरा है, इट्स लाइक अ रियली वंडरफुल डायस्पोरा। डू यू वांट मी टू चेंज दैट ओपिनियन टुडे? आई लाइक यू ऑलरेडी। वाले खाते हैं थप्पड़ मार के कैसा लगा? अब ठीक है यार, मैंने कहा ना, नसीब वाले हैं वो जो हमारे हाथ के थप्पड़ खा के गए।
That's amazing. We start any show with the national anthem. So, Soumya ji, o'er the ramparts we watched, Vida Uchchala Ganga, Vindhya Himachala Yamuna Ganga Uchchala.
March together, God bless Fiji, for Fiji, ever Fiji, let our voices ring with pride. For Fiji, ever Fiji, her name held far and wide, a land of freedom, hope and glory, to endure whatever befall. May God bless Fiji forevermore.
Thank you, everybody. And now it's time for the most important part.
जलवा आप
Let's go. Get a picture. Let's go.
All right. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Soumya ji. And thank you so much, Baby. I hope you
that he's come all the way to welcome you all here. Mr. Akhil Kupa, thank you so much, sir. Tanya, please, if you can join me in doing the honors. And as you guys all know, in our Fijian tradition, a lei is called Salu Salu, which is our greatest honor for our chief guest. So thank you so much, and I hand over the mic to Mr. Kupa. Thank you, sir.
Ladies and gentlemen, good evening. My name is Alinka Kupa and I represent the Fiji government as the Trade Commissioner to North America. I just want to take a few moments to thank the South Pacific Relief Fund and each and every one of you supporting the event today. Based on the data and numbers shared, the South Pacific Relief Fund has supported over 3,000 free dialysis treatments. In addition to that, they've also supported outpatient services at the Ramakrishna Mission Hospital in Fiji. Ladies and gentlemen, when you attend events like this, you really do a lot to support back home, and for that I want to thank you all for attending. I wish you all a wonderful evening and event tonight. Thank you.
Mr. Kupa, please remain here. And also today with us, we have our platinum sponsor, our best airline in the world, Turkish Airlines. Please give them a round of applause, please. Turkish Airlines, please, Mr. Akhil, please come over here. As you all know, Turkish Airlines is our travel partner. They are platinum sponsor, and they have been supporting South Pacific Relief Fund for many years. And if you stay behind today, there's some great prizes to be won and to be given away. And on behalf of our South Pacific Relief Fund, I'd like to thank you for your great service and great support, and welcome you guys that you stay in a partnership with us for many more years to come. And I'll give the mic to Mr. Akhil to say a few words.
Thank you so much. Good evening, everyone. I'd like to thank you, Mr. Dallin and the foundation. We, as Turkish Airlines, always support this kind of social events, healthcare missions, and life supporting missions all over the world. We fly over 300 cities all over the world. Every part, every corner, we support this kind of issues. I'd like to thank you again. Thank you so much. It's really great honor to be here with you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. And Tanya, please do the honors. Kristen, if you can play a small video of Turkish Airlines. Big round of applause for Turkish Airlines, please. Thank you so much. Thank you. And now, I will take a few minutes of your time while we're here, what we're doing, and what is done. So South Pacific Relief Fund, we embark and really support funds just like this. And I want to thank every one of you that every penny, every dollar, today you donate. And if you have bought tickets, you're welcome to donate through many other sources, Zelles, credit card, checks, cash. Every penny, every proceed is going to South Pacific Relief Funds, taking care of the underprivileged Fijians. As of today, we have provided more than 3,000 treatments, which is more than $1 million just from doing what we do today. And I thank you guys all for being here. It is not an easy task. Every month, month after month, day after day, we go out and find funds to support these people. My youngest patient is 18 years old. Her dad has amputated leg. Her mom is blind because of diabetes. And the daughter, she is a diabetic patient who needs 3 dialysis treatment every week before she goes to school. And every penny that we are collecting today is to support people like that. So we are catering and taking care of these patients at a zero cost. We do not have a billing counter. When you go to get a dialysis treatment done, there is no reception because we do not take payments. And we do not ask for you to pay so you can get your treatment. We don't discriminate anyone. Anyone that has been suffering, has been diagnosed to receive dialysis care and approved by the Ministry of Health of Fiji, we provide this care. So I thank you guys once again for supporting this cause, and
हमारा नाम सीमा देवी, 51 years old. Our dialysis, it's almost 3 years. December में 3 years हुई जी.
I'm Ravin Premnarayan.
Hola, my name is Ravneet.
I would like to thank SPRF. Just because of SPRF, I'm able to have my dialysis.
Thank you, SPF, for looking after me. Because of you people, I'm still here.
Thank you SPRF for supporting my daughter, Krishika Naidu.
So I'm 34 years of old, having dialysis since 1 year now.
Thanking SPRF from my heart. Just because of SPRF, I'm alive with my family today.
Because of you people, she is alive. Thank you.
Thank you SPRF for supporting me for past 3 years. Just because of you, I'm still alive and I can have my 3 sessions of dialysis. Thank you so much.
Just because of you, I'm alive and able to cope up with my dialysis.
Currently, I'm facing financial difficulties to pay my dialysis since I have only one brother working for the household, and my father is passed away and my mother is a housewife, and I'm currently unemployed.
Thank you so much for the people of America who are helping us. Otherwise, तब अभी तक तो हम लोग पता नहीं कहाँ रहता.
Request to keep helping us to keep us alive. Thank you.
I hope you still help us in future. God bless you.
और बहुत हार्ड है ना, बहुत हार्ड है. डायलिसिस की कॉस्ट ऑफ लिविंग है, फिर डायलिसिस कराओ, बहुत हार्ड है. हम लोग के तो जानो भी तो डॉक्टर अमरीश भी हम लोग के लिए बहुत करे. अगर से एक माह फिर से डॉक्टर अमरीश नहीं रहता तो हम लोग के तो पता नहीं अभी हम लोग सांस लेता कि नहीं लेता. हम राइट रहा, बट हमारा हस्बैंड भी राइट रहा ना. खाली हम जैसे अपने आप के थॉट हमारा जो चीज सोच है बताता कि हमारा हस्बैंड भी राइट रहा, काम करता रहा, तब हम लोग के नहीं कुछ तकलीफ रहा ना. बट वो भी बीमार है, तब हम लोग के बहुत हार्ड पड़े सब चीज. इवन फ्री है फिर भी हम लोग के लिए बहुत हार्ड है, बहुत हार्ड पड़े सब चीज के. थैंक यू SPRF. अगर आप लोग भी नहीं रहता तो हम लोगन के लाइफ नहीं जा पाता. हम अपन बताता, हम नहीं जा पाता, बहुत लंबा नहीं जा पाता. थैंक यू सो मच. अभी आगे भी सोचता से आप लोग भी हम लोग के आगे भी हेल्प करेगा. थैंक यू सो मच SPRF. थैंक यू सो मच.
Diagnosed to receive dialysis care and approved by the Ministry of Health of Fiji, we provide this care. So I thank you guys once again for supporting this cause, and I don't want to take any more.
Big round of applause. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much. And leader, thank you Devanji for holding.
Thank you so much, Ajay.
Thank you.
my heart. I'm Absina Chaudhary. My life, my passion, my journey so far includes being a tech leader, a fashion designer, model, and artist. Whether I am building a business or I am serving as president of my non-profit, my why remains the same.
I proudly represent SPRF for Brand Ambassador of 2026. They say beauty is what you say, but I strongly believe the beauty, what it stands for. The journey, it's not about using the spotlight. The journey is all about using the spotlight
in the organization. The kind of work that this organization does, whether it is supporting unserved communities across the South Pacific or improving access to life-saving dialysis care in Fiji, they truly embody translating compassion into action. And here's a little rap for you. When the waves rise high, I'm the financial analyst by profession. Apart from my profession, I'm a singer, dancer, fashion model. I love to do clay art, painting, all creative activities. I don't realize time when I do involve in all these activities. I get immense peace and happiness. And regarding SPRF, this is for a great cause that is
Anjali Prasad. I am currently a high school senior. I got a full ride scholarship to the University of Berkeley, and I'll be majoring in biology, and I hope to go to medical school. After that, it's my goal in life to make a tangible impact. I think that it's really important for all of us to do something bigger than I'm really close to my work. I want to do something to give back. So thank you so much.
Thank you, Anjal. And right now it's time for Nirmala.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and the honorable jury members. I'm honored to be here today for the beautiful platform provided by South Pacific Relief Fund, an organization that supports community and the small initiatives that's taken care for healthcare at South Pacific.
Supports a cause. So first of all, I would like to thank the judges, thank the audience, and thank you so much for coming today. Talking about myself, I am by profession, I'm a holistic healer, and I'm also a project manager. And for me, I strongly believe that there is no relevance to outer beauty without inner beauty. And when I'm talking about inner beauty, what I talk about is a healthy body, a strong mind, and
have you ever met a person of yourself you didn't think existed until you had courage to become her? This journey has been that for me. Hello, Beria. This is Nibi, a software engineer, a model who loves to stay fit and live mindlessly with strength. Thank you, SPR community. From the bottom of my heart, thank you so much. Let's continue to keep making a difference. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. A big round of applause for all the participants, and bear in mind, you know, this is the night that we remember, but this night wouldn't have been possible without our sponsors. So right now, thank you, ladies, and please.
We'd like to get Sophia ready to get
Yes,
jump with that.
please, and that's what I was going to tell you.
ticket to Las Vegas with 3 nights at the Bellagio in Las Vegas. जोरदार तालियां भाई के लिए. So those who have already received their awards, please, if you can migrate back to your seat.
And the last category is the best dressed.
All right. अभी जैसे कि हमने ये सारे awards कर लिए, there is one.
The trustees, board of members, and our supporters. Ipsita, thank you so much for supporting the effort and making and winning the People's Choice Award tonight.
Can we have
Brownie. We forgot the brownies. This for the people.
There is an amazing Sufi Qawwali performance by none other than the Sherry Khan, and you cannot miss it. So, बहुत कुछ बाकी है, उसके बाद award ceremony भी होने वाले हैं, but right now there is this basket full of love for all of you from Nana.
Actually make me say that now my favorite city is actually the best people, because it's not just the people who perform, it's actually the audience which makes the entire show, a hit. So I want all of you to clap for yourselves. For being a fantastic audience, a sporting audience, and a lovely audience which has supported the beautiful cause. Thank you for having me. I really enjoyed myself. Thank you. Thank you, Revaji. You are beautiful inside out. Thank you, Devin. You're absolutely charming. Priyanka, shout out to you for helping me. Sangeeta, thank you very much. And all of you, you have been fantastic. Thank you for having me.
So now I'm done.
189 daughters में से सोम्या को भी मैंने टॉप कर लिया 190 पे. I have adopted daughter.
Now moving on to our sponsors award. Our biggest sponsor tonight is none other than our platinum sponsor, Turkish Airlines. Please, I request all the Turkish Airlines team to come in and give you an award from Ms. Sonia G. Right after that, we have Neelam. Ritesh ji, if you are here in the house, नहीं तो रेवा जी को दे देते हैं, ठीक है? I may request our Priyanka to please come and take this award on behalf of Trianj. Radio Zindagi 1550 जो बसता है सबके दिल में. And now I want Mr. Niratar, Radio Zindagi. Seba is here. Seba, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Please, a big round for Saiba. Saiba ने इतना मुझको help किया to put this amazing program on the radio, setting up the interviews. Saiba, thank you so much. Thank them. Give them a big round of applause, please. Moving on, our team, Devin Prasad. I know he was in the house. Essential Treats. Essential Treats, this is your award. Krishnan, our IT and visual guy. Mechanical services. And someone very close to my heart, Pharma Creation. He controls our funds and is also a big donor to keep our non-profit running. Mr. Sherry Khan Spandan. all our decoration needs. Spandan is always there. And all the outfits today was donated and created on local printing press. Shika's
Without the DK Entertainment, ये तो होता ही नहीं. So thank you so much. We have more certificates.
We did receive our Divin Prasadji Alliance.
Joshi Kumar. All right, I think that's about it. Devin Bhai, oh, we have more.
Right after this.
Magesh Ranganathan. Magesh Ranganathan. Shruti Gujjar. Avinash Gaur. Shivam Vyas.
Rennie, I don't forget about you ever. मार नहीं खाना है मुझको.
All right, so I think, do we have more? No, I think.
Rajeshwar Singh.
Thank you.
And Priyanka, I know you have a few more that you need to announce that we missed somehow.
प्रीत की लत मोहे ऐसी लागी, हो गई मैं मतवाली, बज बज जाऊं मैं तो अपने पिया को, फिर मैं जाऊं वारी वारी, मोहे सुध बुध रही ना, धन मन की ये तो जाने लगी सारी, बेबस लाचार कर कर बोले, कर 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 बोले, तो लगा दो मेरे रस्ते लग बोले, तुझे जीत जीत वारूं, ये राय राय वारूं, हाय Thank you.